Welcome to Mesa TV. I'm feeling a little nostalgic. I haven't watched TV in many, many years. I suppose I'll be watching what used to be called the Classic TV channel, now that I'm Classic TV age. But I do remember the Love Boat as a child. And here's the theme song, the Love Boat theme song, the long version. Let's go.
Exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you and love. Life's sweetest reward. Let it flow. It floats back to you. Your mind on a new romance and love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore. Something for everyone. Set a course for adventure. Your mind on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open smile on a friendly shore.
Well, that was Jack Jones. Now here's Dionne Warwick with her version. Very rare. Let's go. Love Boat.
Love exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you and love.
Never heard that before from Dionne Warwick. Well, I thought that was just a little TV show theme. All right. Very nice. Very catchy and full of life. Good work, Dion. Good voice. Bye.